Hi everyone, I'm Slayer and today I'll show you how to download BandLab on your PC or laptop. If you're ready, let's begin. As a first step, open your web browser and go to bandlab.com, the official website of BandLab. If you already have a BandLab account, log in, otherwise, sign up. I don't have a BandLab account, so I'll sign up. After logging in, click the dot icon in the upper left corner. Then click on Studio. Once Studio opens, click the download button in the upper right corner. Click Install. As you can see, the BandLab icon has been added to the desktop. Let's run it now. It opened successfully. I hope this tutorial video on how to download BandLab on a PC or laptop was helpful. Have a great day.